This is Abhilash from the Key of Success Study Center. I'm very happy to announce the launch of free special programs from the Key of Success Study Center. First, summer camp. We have found many challenges in students in their language and in their personality development. Many times, even though they did know a lot about the subject that they were talking about, they were unable to express it. Some of them, even though they wanted to express it, were not confident enough to come over to the friend and express what they know. So we are having a solution to this problem, and that is where we have introduced the summer camp. So what are we going to do in the summer camp? We are going to definitely carry the basics to the students, ensure that everyone cover the basics of the language. When it comes to language, I would say English, Hindi, and Arabic. Once that is done, we will have different types of activities which will include games and even dramas, wherein they will have to act in the language under which the course that they have joined. This will boost their confidence in them, increase their communication skills, and also give them the confidence to come over and present anything in front of any group of audience. So we have it catered to grades 1 to 4, grades 5, 6, 7. So that will be in 2 groups that the program will be run, and we'll have 2 batches, 1 batch in July and 1 batch in August. This is to make participation available for those who are traveling to their home country in the vacation. So either they join the program and then leave for the home country, or they leave to the home country. Once they are back, then they come and join the program. So we have kept it at the 2 extremes. The second most important program is the crash course. Most of the time that we observed in our students, something that kept on worrying them is about the portions. Why are the portions not getting over, or will I finish the portions before the exam? Now, let us make it easy for them. The confidence that they will get in studying a subject is once they understand that they have completed the portions. And that's what we are introducing for maths and science, 2 subjects. We are helping the students complete their portions in 45 days for grades 9th and 10th. And any 2 subjects which is a lot of concern for the super senior students, which is the 11th and the 12th, including maths, physics, chemistry, biology, accountancy, economics, and statistics. They can select any 2 subjects. We cover these in 45 days. Each day will be a 4 to 5 hour session, which will include the complete chapter being taught, the complete portions being covered, a few basic question answers that is done, worksheets, exercise papers, previous year's question papers, answers, etc., which they can work out at home, and by which we ensure that in 45 days duration, the complete portions are covered. Now, are the students going to be able to do well in the final exam with these portions covered at this very short duration? No, your answer is correct. It's no. It's not practical. So what we do is that after the portions are covered, we stay along with the student every week once, that is on Saturdays. Every Saturday we give them a 4-hour session, which can be physical, that is offline or online, to ensure that they keep a track of their learnings again and again and again. It is a reiteration of their learnings again and again. Now, there will be situations where during the classes later on, they again cover this chapter at the schools and they have further doubts. They get more practice questions. They collect questions from their friends. They bring in and they have questions on those. So we will clarify all these every week, every Saturday for 4-hour session for all of them. And that will continue till their final exams or the board exams. And by that time, I guarantee you that they're going to do the best. They will be the masters of what they have enrolled with us for this crash course. That's program number 2. Let me come to program number 3. It is on artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is an online course. You can register with us. It's a certified course, which when you present it on any job application across the border, over the seas, you can definitely get better chance to get a job or a better pay scale wherever you work. So that is job oriented. We are coming up with more job oriented skills, especially for the financial sector. Those who are preparing for money laundering specialist, that is a ACAMS exam, those who are preparing for FRM, those who are preparing for CFA, or those who are preparing for CFE. So any of these courses also can approach us for any type of guidance or coaching that you require. So we are just not an educational institution alone teaching students. We actually look forward into a career development of the student through learning, whichever age they are. So please come join the Key of Success Study Center, register with us. This is the website link, our website link. Check out the details over there. You'll get the registration form, register yourself with us, and enjoy your learning journey. For any other queries, please contact on these numbers and we will definitely get back to you. So see you soon. All the best. Have a great time. Bye bye. Maslama.